Hello family, welcome once again to my channel. Today's video we are going to learn how to prepare Gari FOTOR or Gari Jollof. It's been long since I tried this recipe, so I decided to share with you. So please take a seat and don't go anywhere. These are the ingredients I will use. I have my fresh tomato blended with garlic, ginger and habanero pepper. I also have my fried chicken cut into pieces. I have onions, diced onions, my spices that I will be using. I will also add one shrimp cube to it, my tomato paste, and this is the veggies I will be adding into my stew. And my almighty Gari, this is 2.5 cups. So without wasting much time, so let's get started. My oil is heated. I'm now going to add my onions, give it a stir and let it fry for some minutes before adding my tomato paste. So I'm gonna leave this on the fire for some minutes. My tomato paste has been frying for some minutes now. So I'm adding my blended tomatoes to it. I will let this steam for additional minute before adding my other spices, that is my curry, my salt and my shrimp cube to it. So I will leave this on the fire for additional 15 minutes will be okay. After 15 minutes, the stew is doing very well and is cooking under a low heat. So I will be adding my powdered pepper and also I will add my shrimp cube and let it steam for some minutes more before adding my spices and my other ingredient into it. Alright guys, my Gari FOTOR stew is almost done. So I'm gonna be adding my spices to it and also I will be adding my fried chicken into the stew. So I will allow this to cook for a little more minutes before adding my vegetables to the stew. At this point, I'm going to add my vegetable into the stew and let it cook for 5 minutes under a very low heat because I still want to feel a little bit of crunchiness in it. So I will leave it on the fire for it to cook before adding my Gari into the stew. Now back to my Gari, I just added a little salt to taste and also I'm adding a little amount of water, not too much because I don't want it to be wet. I want it in a form of breadcrumb consistency. So I'll mix them together before adding them into the stew. So this is the consistency that I want my gari to be. I'm now going to add them into the stew and mix them together. So guys, our Gari FOTOR is ready, looking so beautiful and delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and like and share this video. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And also to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always taking your time to watch every video I post. So I come your way. Peace be with you.